Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans were modestly higher on Tuesday, supported by commercial buying, seeing a bounce off of the recent lows and expecting more solid demand, at least over the near term. But the supply continues to keep the fundamentals basically neutral, and there's still a lot of uncertainties connected to Chinese demand. Also, if the corn planting delays continue persisting into March, that would likely mean at least some increase in U.S. soybean acreage. As for corn, though, it was down modestly, not too concerned about those planting delays, at least not as of yet. But again, as we get closer to May, that might become a bigger issue. Wheat closed higher with Minneapolis leading the way up. Only 3% of this year's U.S. spring crop is planted because of the snow in the northern plains, and that doesn't even take into account Canadian spring wheat planting. It's way behind average in any event at this point. Chicago and Kansas City basically followed, with the bearish fundamentals limiting their upside. Live and feeder cattle were mixed, mostly higher on varying levels of commercial spread activity, getting ready for widespread direct cash cattle business, Wednesday's Fed cattle exchange activity, and Friday's USDA cattle on feeder port. Hogs were mixed on spread trade and short covering, with cash business mixed at midday. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.